solo vemos películas, sino que hablamos de películas.
Hola, ¿qué tal? Bienvenidos a este programa de celebración de los 15 años de TCM.
Uno de los grandes amigos del canal es Coque Mayer y va a cantar una canción que ha compuesto especialmente para nosotros, ha sido un regalo que nos ha hecho.
I wanna hide from the sun, I wanna live in the dark, I wanna go to the movies. I can kiss Marion and Jane, I can sing in the rain, I can be Superman. I'll never come out again. Don't look for me in the town, I'm not lost in the crowd, I am here right away. Bobby's driving his cab, and Steve has his shark that's 30 feet long. I can fly over the cuckoo's nest and come again, 'cause I'm totally crazy. My eyes are wide shut at last. From the sun, I wanna live in the dark, and I'll never come back. Muchas gracias. Felicidades, TCM.